Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to review this Plugable 2.5 gigabits per second USB Ethernet adapter. I bought this on Amazon like 3 weeks ago, and I received it last 2 days, and it took almost like a month to get to my home, and I just peeled off the plastic, but it was brand new, about $40 on Amazon. And today I'm going to show you how this amazing device works. It is basically is a two-in-one connector adapter. So we're gonna open it up. This is all what it comes inside the box. So see, that's all. All you do basically pretty much just remove it from the box. Remove it, and here it is. This is the model. Model is a USB-C E2500. So this is the Ethernet adapter right here. Alright. This is a USB Type C and a over the USB 3.0 connector. So this is a USB 3.0 connection. This is for the old and new devices. Some of the laptops doesn't have they don't have Ethernet adapters. So this is a cool device. So you can use, if you want to have your full throughput speed on a laptop, these devices works amazing. And some of the I seen it at work that some of the laptop doesn't have a Ethernet adapter, and it's all Wi-Fi, but Wi-Fi you never get your full throughput speed. And this is a 3.0. Most of the new laptops, they come with a 3.0 adapter, and then they come with a USB Type C as well. So this is the USB Type C connector right here. That's the connector right here. This is the adapter. And some of the new laptops, I seen it that they have one or two USB Type C plug, and you can connect it, and I'm sure you will get the 2.5 gigabits per second. And it all depends on your speed as well, because on my computer I get my full speed. This is an old computer, a very old computer, like about 10 years old. It's a desktop. It's right here. See, that's the specs of my computer. That's a very old computer, and this one doesn't have a it doesn't have a USB 3.0, but most of the USB port on this one is 2.0, and still works great. So just to see, that's the the little floppy disk that I was there. I just removed it. I built this one from scratch, and it works great. I upgrade the memory. I have about 8 gigs of RAMs on this one, 8 or 6, something like that, and it works great. CD, and I'm going to be plugging in my USB adapter. So I have it hooked up ready. I plugged it in on the back so you can see with me. I'm gonna plug it in. Just give me 1 second because I got a mess over here. Okay. I'm gonna plug it in right over here. Okay. There's a lot of dust as well. Okay, I plugged it in, and let me plug in my Ethernet cable. So my Ethernet cable is right here as well. Plug it in. Alright, that's plugged in. Right there is plugged in. When you first plug this in, the Windows, the computer will automatically install the software that you need for this one, for this device. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything on this. Automatically will update and install any software driver or whatever you call it that you need, and it will just install it by itself. The first time it will show you like a little problem, like since this is a very old device. And I'm gonna show you where I can find this USB receiver. Okay, right here. That's the device. That's the device. Realtek USB 2.5 gigabit E family controller. So at the beginning on an old computer, you can install it. You just connect it. It will give you an error, and then unplug it and plug it back in and reboot your computer, and it will install automatically once you reboot your computer and then plug it back in. So this one I already did it. This one it just automatically did, and it doesn't show me the pop-up message, but I already did. So I can go to devices as well, and then see, you can go to USB and see, notify me if there's any issues with notify me if there are issues connecting to a USB devices. So this one it didn't tell me, so it just automatically install it. Then let me close here. So I'm going to do a couple tests, speed tests, and show you how it works. Hold on. Okay, let me do one thing over here. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick speed test. I'm going to do a quick speed test, and this connection here is on a VPN. So I'm still getting my full, not my full speed, but I'm getting good speed. I'm getting about 99, 100 now. So this is the speed I'm getting on my VPN through this USB adapter, USB Type C over USB 3.0. So see, that's the speed, and then I'm going to show you my speed as well on my actual internet service. Now let me do another test on this app. .99, 93, not bad. But just remember, VPNs always slow down your speed. It all depends what protocol you're using. At this point, I'm using L2TP through my router, and that's my speed that I'm getting. I was using OpenVPN. I was getting about 30 megabits per second download speed and 25 upload, or 20, something like that. But VPN always gonna reduce your speed. It's gonna slow your speed if you're using VPN. So seeing this is the speed I'm getting. I can use this app too, the speed test. I'm gonna see what the speed looks like on this. And there's no difference from this device, from this USB Ethernet adapter to my Ethernet my Ethernet card on this computer. Is just about the same. It does work the same. Okay, just with this one here, where this one goes in. You wanna see it? It's right there. So that's my speed. I can do a fast speed test as well. Fast.com. Alright, let's see. Your internet speed could not reach server to perform the test. You may need to connect. Wow, wait. Isn't this thing loose now? I don't know why. Okay, let me see. Try again. Wow. So I guess it won't let me do a speed test on a VPN on this. Fast.com. Let me see. Let me remove this. Okay, it's still the same. It's not letting me do a speed test. Why? I wonder why. See? That's my network information. Ethernet to speed 1 gigabits per second. Yeah, it shows 1 gigabits per second because my computer doesn't have a a USB 3.0 or a USB Type C in order for me to perform a good speed test. It still worked good on an old computer. Like I said, I don't have any USB 3.0, but it's still gonna get the job done for $40. What else you can expect? And I mean, it wasn't that much. And yep, see, that's it. It shows the same go to start Ethernet. See, my network is not connected. My Ethernet network, my cable is not. This one is not connected. This is my Ethernet adapter information. It's an Intel R8266DM. That's 2 gigabit network connection. So that's that. And it's not connected. So this is the one is connected right here. And that's the information. Okay, so that's it. And then let's exit out of here. Doesn't let me do a speed test. Anyway, I don't need to. Okay, so now I'm going to test my actual I'm going to test my internet now, my cable. Okay, I'm gonna disconnected this and plug it back in over here. Okay, and this thing is now connected. See, same stuff, nothing changed, just it's still working, and I still get the same speed. Still get the same speed. $87, $89, about 100. 91. But like I said, it doesn't make a difference between that adapter and my Ethernet adapter, my Ethernet card. So let me do this. Do one more here, and this is still on VPN. I'm doing a wire connection from my router to my computer now. I'm not using the Ethernet adapter, so 105. It's not bad. The upload speed is it changed a lot. There was like 11. Okay. Like I said, VPN's always gonna slow down your speed by 20 or sometimes 30%. So it all depends on the your full throughput speed that you have. So okay, let me do another one. And I'm using a Cat 5e Ethernet wire. Same. Okay, so now I'm gonna connect my my cable to my switch. This is a gigabit switch as well. gonna disconnect my Wi-Fi, my VPN connection. Okay, that's my VPN. Then I'm gonna plug in my adapter. There you go. There it is. Just blinking. That's my Netgear adapter. There's my Netgear adapter. My other, my Twitter link. My Raspberry Pi. That's a DNS server. Alright, so let me see now. Now I'm just gonna refresh this. Now I'm using this is my actual internet, my ISP service. There's no VPN over this. Okay. You see, the reason it's not going up, my whole download speed is 400, but this one is not going up to not even to 200 or 300 because it's connected to a USB 2.0. So I mean, you're still getting a good speed, but it's not gonna go any further. Let's do another one right here. This one, yeah, is going, see, it's going about halfway of my speed. But like I said, if you really if you have an old computer and you want to have a gigabit connection, that adapter will get the job done. And I believe you can connect it to the NVIDIA Shield as well and use it as an Ethernet adapter. I'm not sure. I haven't tried that. I have a couple NVIDIA Shield. So that's it. That's my speed. Yeah, let's do fast. Do fast.com. Let's see. $140. Yeah, screw that. So you get another one right here. Well, to me this is a decent speed for that kind of adapter. Like I said, I have no USB 3.0 connection adapter on my computer, so to me this works just fine. I bought this just to see what is what speed I was going to get, if it really does put that 2.5 gigabits per second. I mean, I'm not getting it, but I'm sure if you have USB 3.0 or USB Type C in your on your computer, then you probably will get that speed. But it also, remember, all depends on your speed. So here it is. Shows you the specification of the box right there. Let me get my flashlight. Oh God, I dropped it. Right there. That's the specs of the USB adapter. Right. So if you're looking for a USB adapter, Ethernet adapter, this is a good one to get. Just Just it doesn't look any fancier than any other USB adapter. But I mean, it gets the job done. It's made by Plugable. That's the company that designed this. Okay, that's the design. I like it. Like I said, if you're really looking for an adapter, that's a good one to get. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm just trying to grow my channel here. Just uh, and anything I can help you with, I will on the comment. Just comment on the video, and I will help you on to troubleshoot your devices, computer, streaming device, like Fire Stick, like Nvidia Shield, and all those kind devices. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, share, and subscribe.